We're almost at the end of March and it's a lovely Saturday afternoon and we can explore Richmond Park. Ta-da! Richmond Park, National Nature Reserve, one of the Royal Parks. So we're going to spend a few hours here, enjoy the views from Richmond Park. There is a particular part of Richmond Park where you are allowed to fly your drone. It's one of the few places in London where you can fly your drone. It's all well and good as long as it's not too busy. We're going to get the drone out. King Henry's Mound. And from the top on a good day you can see St Paul's Cathedral. Let's find out. So this mound is the highest mound in Richmond Hill and it overlooks the Thames Valley. This is the Thames Valley and the gang are looking at St Paul's Cathedral through the telescope. If you look through this telescope, you can see St Paul's Cathedral.
Have a look about that, Leslie.
Emma's having a look. Can you see St Paul's Cathedral, Emma?
Yeah, I can. I need.
So can I.
That's cool.
It's cool, isn't it?
Only $500,000. I'll take it. I'll take it.
We are in London.
Found our flat.
Here you go.
Offering.
We're getting closer to the drone area. We think it's just the other side of this tiny lake. And it feels more like summer.
Boiling.
Boiling. It's lovely. Just come across some deer lying in the shade. When I mean some deer, there's quite a few deer. They don't seem to be bothered by the people. This is where we're hoping to fly the drone. We've already seen one flying over there. The good thing about Richmond Park, and particularly this area, it's so vast. You're not really bothering anybody.
Bye.